In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in Slack. By the end, you'll be able to start a quick group conversation with multiple teammates, perfect for short projects, urgent decisions, or anything that doesn't need a full channel. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Slack on your desktop app or in your browser and go to your home view. This is the main screen with your sidebar on the left showing things like channels and direct messages. If you work in multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before you begin so your group includes the right people. Next, look at the direct messages section in the left sidebar and click the small plus icon. It typically sits to the right of the direct messages heading. Clicking this opens a new message composer where you can select the people you want to include. Think of this as your starting gate for any one-on-one or multi-person DM. Now, add your members to create the group. Begin typing a teammate's name, then select them from the list that appears. Keep typing to add more people. You can remove someone before starting the conversation by clicking the small remove or X icon next to their name. As you build the list, Slack shows you who's already included so you can double-check you've got the right group. If your organization uses profile fields or display names, search by whatever is most reliable for your team. When you've added everyone you need, confirm to start the conversation. Depending on your Slack version, you might see a button like Start, Create, or Go. Clicking it opens a group direct message instantly. From here, you can send your first message, share files, and set the tone for the discussion. Group DMs are best for quick, focused collaboration without the visibility of a channel. Keep in mind that group DMs can't be renamed and aren't meant for long-term, discoverable topics. If you expect an ongoing project with broader visibility, a channel is usually a better fit. A few quick tips to make your new group more effective. Use mentions to alert specific people when something needs attention. Share links or files directly into the thread for easy reference. And consider summarizing decisions so everyone stays aligned. If the conversation gets noisy, you can adjust your notifications for that DM without affecting others. And that's it. Go to Home, click the plus next to Direct Messages, add your members, and you're ready to collaborate.